Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use the Office suite on your Huawei MatePad Pro Max. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to go over and open a document. So the best way to do that is by using WPS Office. It's already pre-installed on your device. And here you can click on Start, click on Agree. And as you guys can see, we want to grant the access to our files. Once we do that, what are we going to do is we're going to click on the plus button, and we can choose new presentation or we can choose a new document. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to choose the presentation, and here we can use the new presentation. So for example, travel notes, and here we can use now. As you guys can see here, we want to sign in with the Huawei. And if you do not have your Huawei set up, there's a tutorial called First Things to Do After Setup on your phone. And as you guys can see, it's loading it up. So it'll be in PPTX, but of course, we can convert it into PDF, but this is how it will look like. So you can see everything. And of course, we can drag the pictures out. We can make them a bit smaller. We can do whatever we want, to be honest here, and I'm gonna keep it like this, for example, and then I'm gonna make it longer. So here we have another look. Now this right here is the text. Of course we can make it bigger, but then it will not fit perfectly. What are we gonna do here is we're gonna grab the pen so we can do some changes. So for example, we can type in hello. And that does not look like an H, but we'll just live with it. Here we're gonna click done, and what we can do is we can save it right here. Also, you can save it as a PDF, and we can change it to location to our tablet. We're gonna click export to PDF, and now we got it exported. So we can try and, for example, use the another app. So here we have notes. We can also try and get a new note here. So we can easily click new note. We can import a PDF. And of course, we want to leave the docs. Here we have our travel notes. And here we have it. Here we can make some more changes. It's much better. We can type in hello. And also to scroll, we need to use two fingers. So here we can select this picture. For example, we want to do it for future reference. So for example, we want to use this picture as our future reference. Now we can also do that and select it. We can do it as a beach, and we can also select this location and tell everybody that it's in Paris. So we can do all of that. Of course, we can also play tic-tac-toe, as you guys can see, and this is how it looks like. Now if we want to save it, we have to export it into PDF and click on allow. Now it is exporting, and we got it in our internal storage and documents. So we can open it in GoPaint. We can try, at least, but I'm not sure that it supports PDF files. Of course it doesn't, but you guys can try and use your Office suite. Of course, if you have the keyboard accessory, you can easily just type it in. You can create your own documents. You can edit it with your keyboard, and if you have a pencil with a pencil tool, you can export them to PDF. And you can also just simply use the WPS Office, one of the best apps here. And that's it. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.